Welcome to Cardano News. Bitboy Crypto has again another revelation about Cardano holders becoming insanely rich, so stay tuned. If you want to win 200 free ADA, see the comment section below and join our giveaway. The year 2021 is likely to be a great year for Cardano, even though it is over in 3 months. Furthermore, it is one of the most exciting times in the history of this project that smart contracts are now live and teams are already building on the network. And it seems as though the ADA holders will finally get the last laugh, and those who bet against them will have to pay up. In Bitboy Crypto's view, cryptocurrency should not be seen as a have versus have-nots world. That's not supposed to be fair, so everyone gets a shot. Due to this apparent Ethereum weakness, Cardano, Binance Smart Chain, DOT, and Elrond have gained a foothold in the crypto space. In his opinion, Cardano holders have been experiencing a crazy month, with the price heading back to the $1 area of resistance, but now we have it at $2 already. However, it has yet to rise above it. Actually, the price dropped from 96 cents to below 85 cents following a very hard rejection. For those who are new to investing or crypto, a liquidity event means an event that will enable them to trade greater ease. Also, the IOHK tech company, which is the company behind Cardano, has recently been announced as a partner in a huge government contract in Africa. Even though the Africa news is great, it is unlikely to be the event Charles has been discussing, but did contribute to the Cardano hype train this month. However, there are still more developments to come. Bitboy also believes there are only a few things that the liquidity event could mean, and a major exchange listing, a new pair listing, a grayscale trust, or a totally new fiat on-ramp for Cardano are part of this announcement. Coinbase is the only possible exchange listing when it comes to ADA. As of now, Cardano is listed on Binance and Binance.us, both of which are the largest exchanges. At the moment, Cardano cannot be listed on any other exchange, including Coinbase, that would cause waves. In either case, Charles is either the greatest crypto thespian of all time, or he does not have access to Coinbase's ADA status. It is for this reason that Bitboy Crypto believes that it is an appealing option. In that case, a new pair listing is very possible, but currently there is only a BTC pair available on Binance. In this case, you must purchase ADA using Bitcoin on Binance.us, and offering a USDT or USD pair would certainly allow people to convert fiat directly into ADA. Not a big deal. In similar news, we recently saw Grayscale Trust LLC form in Delaware, a state that's friendly to taxpayers. And did you know that Bitboy Crypto predicts Cardano to rise above $1 by the end of February, if not even $2? However, that's just the short-term forecast, because his long-term prediction for Cardano is to rise to $8 in 2021. So what else attracts investors to Cardano? As we approach the much-anticipated launch of smart contracts, we'll examine some of the developments happening in Cardano's ecosystem right here in this video. And now let's dig deeper into the Cardano ecosystem. It's fair to say that all phases of the Alonzo upgrade went smoothly with no major problems, and we're now just 2 weeks away from the network going live, and it was already launched on September 12th. Furthermore, Cardano City's secret cyberpunk project has been held back by some technical problems, which led to the delay of their NFT release, but was already launched as well last September. Cardano City is one of my favorites, and not only because it looks cool and is devoted to Cardano, but why does Cardano City exist? Cardano City NFTs are sure to be extremely cool and no doubt one of the hottest NFT drops this year, and they are also part of the Pluto Alliance drop. Following these recent developments, ADA's price climbed significantly from its local bottom of more than $2 all the way up to nearly $3 in the first week of October, where it has since recently begun to consolidate. With this, Cardano has recently increased its mainstream acceptance by this movement and has attracted the attention of the Reddit crowd that invests most of its money on Robinhood. Furthermore, Dogecoin millionaire Glauber Contesoto recently said he was going all in on Cardano and planned to purchase as much as possible before the end of the year. During this bull run, he has stated that he has been bullish on Cardano since before it was cool, and that he expects it to reach anywhere from $5 to $8 during its bull run. Currently, many analysts predict the price will surpass $10 during this cycle, based on the price action we've seen. And having reached the public launch date of smart contracts, Cardano development teams are and will continue to work on the first applications, or dapplications, to be created on the blockchain. Also, the decentralized exchange Sunday Swap is expected to launch shortly after smart contracts, as it will be integrated with the Daedalus and Yoroi wallets, allowing users to market directly from these wallets. That is why this is a great move move for Cardano DeFi since non-custodial wallets provide far greater security than custodial accounts such as those on Coinbase. And we need to keep in mind that dApps like SundaySwap have been in development for many months and have been running on the Cardano testnet for some time now. Then, the recent demonstrations of SundaySwap have made it abundantly clear that Cardano DeFi is going to be super cool. Also, speaking of sweet deals, the best Cardano staking pool you can find is Bitpool, where you can make passive income by staking your ADA. Moreover, a recent press release from IOHK also gave us some details about the native stablecoin for Cardano, DJED. And unlike other stable coins, this one will be algorithmically pegged to the US dollar, but will appear as alternative currencies depending on price oracles. Further, for decentralized finance to be truly decentralized, this problem is one of the most important ones that need to be addressed. And in order to ensure that assets are backed up, stable coins such as USDC and Tether typically use centralized mining operations. In turn, this presents a wide range of problems such as central points of failure and attack vectors that hackers or regulators can exploit. Also, there are several algorithmic stablecoins already available on the market, most of them unproven or inherently risky. If you remember Mark Cuban's Iron Finance project from earlier this year, you should be familiar with it, but it actually was a stablecoin project. Hopefully, they will get it sorted out soon. In terms of stability, DJED's stablecoin is becoming an autonomous central bank that is far above the competition, as shown in the image above. In addition to Ethereum blockchain, a test version of the stablecoin has also been deployed on the Binance Smart Chain, the Avalanche Network, and Polygon. And then the worldwide hacker community will aggressively test the security of the Cardano smart contracts as they begin to go live. As is common in crypto, many of these hackers will actually be employed by Cardano, working to protect the network and find exploits before they are discovered by the bad ones. It has just been announced that the Cardano Foundation is joining forces with HackerOne, an organization made up of ethical hackers who investigate and report vulnerabilities in critical work systems. Several of these companies help secure networks for multinational corporations as well as government agencies such as the U.S. Department of Defense, Dropbox, Goldman Sachs, and Google. Quite a list. Furthermore, the financial cartel has stoked FUD about Cardano due to the fact that they have no investment and see it as a competitor. Also, Cardano has been victim to some of the lowest blows in the crypto media this year, namely the accusation that Charles Hoskinson and his team are planning to colonize Africa with blockchain infrastructure. While corporations aren't known very well in the developing world, blockchain technology isn't a company. Essentially, that's the point. Interestingly, our industry is filled with people who want to change things for the better and do things differently, and technology like this could significantly improve the quality of life for people around the world. Through their ownership of the ADA asset, people who bought into the Cardano ecosystem will share in the platform's ownership. Furthermore, they will be able to develop on this blockchain in ways that were previously impossible, creating wealth for themselves and their communities in absolutely unprecedented ways. And the main goal of banking the unbanked is to hold these unbanked up financially, not to improve their financial status. As part of this process, blockchain infrastructure in developing countries is obviously a priority, and anyone with a close eye on the Cardano community knows that this has been the plan for a while now. In fact, crypto adoption in Africa has been growing faster than anywhere else in the world, since the need for crypto technology there is greater than where banking systems exist in the West. Isn't it wonderful to have those around? Also, Cardano intends to provide community members with important resources through its blockchain. A recent partnership between IOHK and the European Business University of Luxembourg, or the EBU, highlights IOHK's commitment to providing educational opportunities to people in developing countries. Using this partnership, students throughout Africa will have access to educational resources and resources to enable them to learn the most important skills to succeed in today's world, including blockchain coding and web development. Therefore, Bitboy Crypto's long-term prediction will make insanely rich ADA holders if it comes true. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.